Check this out, guys. This thing broke right on the caliper bracket. Now what? This gonna sucks. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is take out this caliper. There's a stud still stuck in there. This is gonna be a problem taking this out because of the rotor is on the way. So we're gonna loosen up the rotor. Okay, put that 2 bolts in there, pop the rotor out. I mean, just grab a pry bar. We're gonna take out this caliper, rest it on the knuckle on the back here against the caliper. We're gonna rock it in and out like that. While you're rocking it, you're gonna move this up and down. Of course, take out the bottom bolt out. You're gonna be rocking it in and out like that while you're trying to pry this pry bar against the knuckle of the vehicle. When you have a gap like that, you can put a flat screwdriver and then just twist it. When it's loose, you're gonna have to keep rocking it in and out, and then pull the whole thing out, the rotor and the caliper at the same time. Okay, like that. When it's out like this, you know this caliper is gonna come out very soon. That's a stud right there. So that's how you take out the caliper, rotor at the same time. Alright, we're gonna extract this stud out. Here's the extractor kit. I'm gonna use the 10 mil. Let's give this a try. It's loose, it won't grab. Super loose. Let's try the 3/8. Give this one a try. This one should be tight. Well, it broke again. So it's getting shorter and shorter. That didn't work. Alright, so you can see I took the caliper to a shop here. I got them to drill the broken stud. It took a while to drill because of that easy out. Broke inside, so it's tough to drill a bit to bite and take some material out. So the next step he did, he wheeled the bolt to the broken stud and put a socket on it so we could spin this thing out of the caliper, and you can see it's working finally. At least in the real time, probably like an hour and a half for him at this stage to get that stud out. So it's working now. It was a happy moment when we finally got that stud out. You can see right there, it's just laying on the floor. I was gonna touch it, but he told me to don't touch it because it's gonna be hot, it's warm, it'll burn your skin. So there you go, guys. We finally got the stud out, and we're gonna install our brand new parts in. We had to buy the parts from the Subaru dealer. On this part right here, he's retapping the tread. 10 by 1.25 I believe is the tread. So there you go, we got everything back together, installed, and happy customer.